I'm Emily and I'm the Head of Marketing here at Buzan Online, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a mind map using the iMindMap app for the iPhone and the iPod Touch. So let's start from the very beginning by creating our central idea. First of all, you type your text of your central idea. Click Done, and then you get the option to select your central idea image. Click on the image you'd like, and that gets placed into the centre of your workspace. Now that your central idea has been placed in the middle of your workspace, you can start adding your main branches. Now these are really easy to add. You hold your finger down on the central idea and drag. The text editor then appears. You can input your text. Now this map is about planning my trip to Paris. So one of my main branches is going to be attractions, and I can then create child branches of all the places I want to visit. Now to create a child branch, again you use your finger from the control point and drag. You can keep on adding your branches so your map gets built up and your ideas get added. There are also some really useful usability features built into the app as well. You can pan around your workspace using your finger, and you can zoom in and out using a pinching action. We've also inbuilt the functionality where you can work in a vertical as well as horizontal mode. And by adding text, you've also got the option to use the vertical keyboard. As you can see, I've now nearly completed my mind map. I've added more main branches detailing hotel information, my flight details, where I want to eat and drink, and I've got to the stage now where I want to add more detail and edit some of the branches. So I'm going to just show you how to do that. One of the great features the iMindMap app has is the box branch. So by selecting this icon on the right hand side, I can create a box branch, which is ideal if you want to add more than one or two keywords onto your mind map. Now to create a box branch, you use the same process as creating a normal branch, using your finger to click and drag. You can then add your information. Now I'm going to add my hotel address, which is already pasted onto my clipboard. And by clicking Done, you can see that the box branch has been added with the details within it. Now there are further edit options. So if I was to click on a branch and then select Edit, you'll get the Edit Branch window appearing. Now you've got a lot of different options here. You can add icons. You've got a range there that we've provided you. You can choose a branch colour. We've got a whole host of different colours here you can select. One of the great features is adding a link. Now here I've added a link to Google Maps, so I can find my hotel when I arrive. So you can paste that into the branch link editor there. And finally you've got an option to add a branch note. Now you've got a lot of space here to add as much information as you want. For example, your reservation details, maybe a contact number or name of someone you've spoken to at the hotel. So you can add all of that onto your branch, and that gets collected on your main branch, and you can see there's an icon there to suggest there's a link attached, and the colour's already also changed for the branch. Now one other feature I wanted to quickly show you was Speed Mind Map mode. Now this is something that you can also find on the desktop version of iMindMap, and it allows you to create branches and mind maps very quickly. Instead of creating the branches with your finger, the iPhone app will do it for you. Now to get this mode activated, you simply click on the lightning bolt on the bottom corner. Now to create branches, all you need to do is using this plus sign next to the branch. Now this is a mind map, for example, that I could take whilst in a meeting. It allows you to create branches quickly as you're hearing the points being mentioned. So if I just create my branch here by simply typing and clicking Done, my branch has been added to my mind map for me. Now I can then add child branches again by clicking the plus sign and adding my further ideas. one really nice feature about this as well is there's a little plus sign on the corner, and this will create a string of child branches for you, so you don't even have to go outside the text editor. And you can see you can quickly build up your mind map very fast by just typing and using the plus sign. Now that I've completed my mind map, I can export it. So by going back to the edit window, going right down to the bottom and clicking export, it will now send my map as an email attachment to my inbox. I've then got the capability to edit and play around with my mind map within the iMindMap desktop version. iMindMap for the iPhone means that I can get my ideas down fast, anywhere, anytime.